Hey guys, Jesse here today with Jesse Ballin Outdoors. Today I want to discuss the small pocket tool. It's a Leatherman style CS. The main blade is a pair of scissors, and then also on the side we have a small pen knife, and on the other side we have a small file with a flathead screwdriver on the end. And in the Leatherman style CS we also have a small pair of tweezers. Comes in handy. And the belt clip on your belt is also a cap lifter, bottle opener. So a pretty cool little pocket tool, Leatherman style CS. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.